To work as a professional organizer, you will most likely have to start your own business. And to have your own business, you will need a business name. Now, this is a name that you're going to build your brand around, create social media handles, a website, you're going to give it to the bank, and put it on official documents. So you want something unique, but also says something about the service you're offering. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence, and I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. Coming up with a business name is number 6 in my free guide, 30 steps to take in the next 30 days to launch your professional organizing career. And you can get a free copy of that ebook by clicking the link in the description box of this video. In today's video, I'm going to help you get those creative juices flowing by showing you 4 ways to come up with a name for your professional organizing business. Okay, option number 1 is to use your name or location. Now, using your name is personal, and that may be the vibe that you're going for. For example, tidying with Katherine or organize with Katherine. My market is Richmond, Virginia, which has a nickname of RVA. So an example of a location-based name would be Declutter RVA. The pros of using your name, first name or last name, or a location-based business name is that it may be easier to secure a domain name and your customers can easily associate you with your business. It is very personal. Now, the cons of this method are that naming your business this way can be limiting if your business expands and you hire other organizers or staff, or you move to another location. If my business was Tidy with Kat and I sent another organizer to the client's home, it may be a little odd when they write the check in my name when that other person has provided the service. So if you want a more professional business feel that's separate from your persona, I would not choose this option. Okay, option number 2 is called play on words. Now, my business is Space Matters, and my social media handle is My Space Matters. And I often use a tagline like, make space for the things that truly matter, which is a callback to the business name. So I started with the word space, and then I thought about, how I would use it to describe my business. You can brainstorm a play on words business name by first making a list of words that fit with your business objective. And you can take a screenshot of these or come up with your own list, but it might include joy, neat, space, size, less, more, declutter, tidy, home, cozy, productive, organize, minimalism. Then play around with different phrases until you come up with a few that you like. Your next option is to come up with a persona. A persona is a descriptor of your personality or a personal trait in what you do. So where I live, there is a redheaded social media trainer that is called the Social Ginger. I saw another branding person called Moolah Marketer. And in the organizing world, these are businesses like Clutter Queen and Declutter Diva. So play around with this concept. You can make a list of job descriptors and personal traits and see how they fit together. Now, similar to using your name or location, this tactic is more personal and not the best option if you are planning to hire other organizers or expand your business to other locations. Option number 4 is to totally make up a new word or random phrase. Now, large corporations do this all the time to ensure that their brand is memorable, that they can get a domain name, and that they avoid trademark issues. So this would be Google or Starbucks. Starbucks isn't called Seattle's coffee shop. It's this other word combination. Now, an example of this in the organizing business is, of course, Marie Kondo, who took the first 3 letters of her last name and the first 4 letters of her first name to create KonMari. And that was a name that she was able to trademark, build KonMari Media Incorporated around, and to get the domain name KonMari.com. So don't feel like you have to limit yourself to your name or to say, use the word organizing in your business name. The pro of creating a completely new word or phrase is that you can brand yourself with something original, and it's really easy to secure those social media handles and a domain name. Now, the con is that you'll need to prominently display your tagline or a mission statement to explain what it is that you do as your market is getting to know you. So brainstorm and come up with a list of names using these 4 options. And once you have a few that you like, then you can research and test out each of your names to see if it passes these tests. Is it short and concise? So you are going to be using this name a lot on business forms, your email address, your bank account, asking clients to make payments out to this name. And if you have a 3 or 4 word phrase, it's going to be a little tedious. Second, I want you to see who else is using this name. Now, you can check Google, you can check the NAPO website, or uspto.gov to ensure that no one has registered this name as a federal trademark, because you definitely want to avoid that. You can go to uspto.gov and search the database for existing trademarks. You don't want to go to all the trouble of creating social media pages, a website, and printed marketing materials only to find out you need to change your name. Third, I want you to check that you can get the domain and social media handles. To find out if the domain is available, you can do a who is search. And you can do this directly with a web hosting company. I like this one on Bluehost because it also makes alternative recommendations. For example, if I type in Tidy Home, I see that Tidy Home is taken, but I see suggestions of tidyhomeservices.net. So I'll try again with Tidy Home Services and I can see that tidyhomeservices.com is available. Now that's pretty long, but you can play around with that and get ideas. And then you want to check Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and so on to see what other blogs or businesses are coming up under that name. Securing an online presence helps tremendously with building a consistent brand. So where are you in the process of setting up your business? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on downsizing, decluttering, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.